Welcome home. This impeccable 5-bed, 3-bath property in the tranquil Shell Cove Community is a must-see. As you walk through the front door, you will be greeted by a meticulously maintained home boasting many desirable features including an open floor plan, ceramic tile in all common areas, beautiful light fixtures throughout, as well as granite countertops in the kitchen and the owner's suite. The spacious owner's suite boasts an elegant ensuite bathroom with double vanities, a large walk-in closet, and a water closet for privacy. Opening the sliding glass doors off the living room takes you out to the covered patio and spacious gazebo, perfect for entertaining or simply to relax with the beverage of your choice as you enjoy our beautiful Florida weather. And the fenced backyard helps to keep your pets and young ones contained so you can truly savor that beverage. Homeowners in Shell Cove enjoy great community amenities including a resort-style swimming pool, open-air cabana, basketball court, playground and a dog run for the furry members of your family. And with a very low HOA of just $140 annually, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to call this house your home. This home is conveniently located, under a mile from US Highway 41 and approximately 5 miles from I-75, giving you quick access to multiple beautiful Florida beaches, shopping centers, and great restaurants. Schedule your showing today.